24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 1 of the chapter 9 of Science Grade 4, which covers the topic Solar System. The video will cover the Sun, facts about the solar system. So let's get started with the teaching plan. As with every lesson, welcome the students to class and greet them pleasantly. Ask them how are you and tell them that they will be learning about the solar system. Start with simple questions such as, can somebody tell me what the direction of the sun was when you entered the class in the morning? Can you tell me what the position of the sun is now? You may ask a few volunteers to go outside and check. Where does the sun go during the night? Do you think the sun keeps moving across the sky? Arrange a globe and a candle and put them on the table. Light the candle and tell the students that it is to be taken as sun in our tiny model. Then move the globe around the sun and explain how the earth revolves around the sun and it appears like the sun moving across our sky. Tell the students that we are all constantly moving like this, but cannot see the movement because everything around us is moving along with us with the same speed. Describe this phenomenon by exemplifying how things and people inside a car seem static when the car is moving on the road. Now, put the globe aside and start explaining the sun with the help of a candle. Ask some students to describe the flame of the candle. It's hot. It gives off light. It is bright and made of fire. Explain that our sun is just the same but very big in size and much hotter. It appears small in the sky because it is far away from us. Read out the information of the sun from the textbook and tell the students to follow along in their own books. Now, place a few balls and marbles around the candle flame to show that the earth is not alone in space. Try to pick some marbles and balls of different sizes to add a little perspective and help them learn that planets vary in size. Explain that just like Earth, they go around the sun, but there is no life on these planets because they are either too hot or too cold. Prepare a chart paper with a sun drawn in it and only revolution paths of the 8 planets drawn on it in the form of round line. Also prepare small cutouts or stickers of the 8 planets to stick on the chart. Now discuss the properties of each planet by first writing its name on the board and then reading out facts from the textbook. Determine its position in relation to the sun and paste the sticker on that very position on the chart. Likewise, complete the chart for all the 8 planets and use it in the end to recall information about the sun and solar system. You may seek volunteers to look at the chart and answer the questions. The recap can also be done by dividing the class in Team A and Team B while you ask questions about the solar system and award them points to determine a winner team. For homework, you can ask the students to pick a planet they found most fascinating and make a 1-page profile about it in the notebook with the information given in the textbook. Also tell them to write the reason for which they found this planet interesting. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.